It's right there, right in the corner. My favorite button. I say it all the time. Say it all the time. Please unmute yourself. Please unmute yourself. It just kind of goes with the territory with Zoom. Best practice is to leave yourself muted if you're not speaking. So let's zoom in and take a look. I know how cheesy that was as soon as I said it. So on off, that's pretty as basic as it gets. On and off, on and off. The little V right here is a caret, and there you can select which microphone you're going to be using if you have more than one. And you can select which speaker you're going to be using as well. Now you can also test your speakers so you can know that they're working. And your microphone. And your microphone. And that's it for that part. So the last thing you can do is you can access your advanced audio settings right here. And that will bring up a menu where you can see whether your microphone is working, and you've also got some additional options, adjustments you can make. So that's it. All right. I hope you enjoyed. Please leave me a comment and let me know what you think. That's it.